welcome to the Pink Agency. My name is Whitney, and today I'm going to be doing a soft look that you can wear to work or you can wear to school. Let's say even if you're wearing some errands. So let's not waste more time and let's get started. And I appreciate everyone that is watching. All right, so I actually picked up this Nude Bliss. I don't know if you can see it, but I just picked it up. It's so pretty, and I think I'm gonna be going in with this light shimmer and then put some of these nude colors as well. All right, so first things first, I hope everyone's doing well. I'm gonna put my hair back if I can find my clip. So a little 411. I was actually really sick last week. I got a cold and sniffles, and my stomach was pretty much all over the place too. Okay, so let's go on with our handy dandy concealer. I'm gonna go in with this Bear With Me concealer. This is the best concealer ever. Okay, let's get started. So today I'm actually not going to show how I do my complexion makeup on camera, only because I did it in my previous video and that does take a while. So, and I always use the same products for my face. Okay, make sure you blend that out. Ooh, I forgot to go in with my primer. All right, that's okay. I'll put the primer on after. I always like to put on primer before I start my eyes, just because I do like to add some primer on my eyes. Oh well. I'll go in with it after. Okay, and whatever is remaining on the sponge, you just wanna, well, I always like to bring it up just in the middle of my forehead. Okay. All right, so I'm actually gonna go in with this shade right here called Glorious, and I'm just gonna use my fingers to do so. Really pretty bronzy color. Actually, it looks a little darker than I wanted it to, so I'm actually not gonna go in with that color because we want the eyes to be soft. We don't want to look so harsh today. So I'm gonna go in with this color called Awake. Yes, we want to look awake today. So I have an appointment later on today through Zoom, and it's my first time meeting this person, so I don't want to come off looking like too harsh, you know. I want to make a good first impression. Okay. I like this. I really do like this color right here. Okay. All right. Okay, so I'm actually going to use this brush that came with it. It's so cute. And this whole thing right here was only $10. That's not bad. So I'm going to go in with this Medieval shade. It's kind of like a pinky brown nude. I'm just gonna put that all in the crease right here. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with a blending brush, and I'm gonna take this shade right here. It's a little cooler toned. It's called Doll. So I'm just gonna darken up the crease just a little bit. So I'm gonna go in with this shade called Tawny. And just pack that, pack on the outer to inner corner. So like I said before, I do like to pack on my shadows first before going in and swiping. Okay, let's go back with the blending brush. Next, we're gonna go in with my favorite brow pencil. This is in the shade Soft Black, and this is by Rimmel. It's called Brow This Way. I'm just gonna fill in my eyebrows as usual. And again, I do like to go in with a light hand. Okay. And just fill it in a little. Okay. That doesn't look too bad, does it? All right, so now I'm going to tightline. I actually found this. It's funny because I went into the store and I actually thought it was on sale. I didn't even realize that it wasn't even on sale until after I got home. So this is the Infallible mechanical pencil. And let's see how it compares to the Maybelline one, because that Maybelline mechanical pencil that I have, that is my best eyeliner ever. Funny story, one time I got a crayon eyeliner pencil from L'Oreal, and it actually ended up burning my eyes. Yep. All right, so we're gonna tightline, just bring this up a little bit. I don't love it, but it's all right. Next, we're gonna curl our eyelashes. Finally, I got another one. This is by Elf. Oh, this is by Elf. So I used to pull on my eyelashes so hard when I first started doing my makeup when I was 14 or 15, and I used to pull it so hard my natural eyelashes would fall off. But we don't do that no more. Now I'm gonna go in with my favorite mascara. This is the Lash Princess in Waterproof. And again, I only like to go in with waterproof mascaras. I honestly really do like how the colors look. So because I don't have my eyelash glue with me right now, I'm just going to pack on this mascara and see how we look. Okay, well, that's as good as we're gonna get. Wow. Okay, ladies, so I'm actually gonna do the rest of my makeup off of camera, like my face part, and I will be right back. So I'm back, and as you can see, I did the rest of my face. What do you guys think? I don't want to put on too much. So coincidentally, I have a little red bumps going on here today, and I was wondering, like, why do I have that today out of all the days? Because I usually normally never have a problem with acne anymore, thank the Lord. But now I know why. Now I recall what happened. Why do I have this going on? And I'm just going in with my e.l.f. powder brush just to blend out the edges. 2 nights ago, it was Halloween, and every time I eat chocolate, I end up getting a little bit of pimples the next day. I will always have that problem. Okay, so now I'm just gonna finish up the eyes. Just gonna do a little bit of eyeshadow, brown eyeshadow, and some mascara, and we will call it a day. Let's see, I'm gonna go out with my little tiny Real Technique brush. What is this even called? This is called the shading brush. All right, so I'm gonna go back in with that palette. Let's use this tawny again and see how that looks underneath the eye. So I've pretty much tried, just like a little side note, I pretty much have tried all of the higher end makeup palettes from pretty much all of the brands. Huda Beauty, Urban Decay, Kat Von D, all of it, like throughout the years. And I have found recently found a little trick. When you have a good concealer like this NYX one or the Too Faced one, Born This Way concealer, when you have a really good concealer, pretty much any eyeshadow will work for you. Whether it's Dollar Tree eyeshadow, because I've tried that one and I've tried others that are not so high end. You have a good concealer, your eyeshadow will show. All right, so just going back in under the eye and just pack. I like how it looks. So I am going to do a coat of mascara on the bottom lashes. Oh, and here's another little trick. At the point of the mascara, run it through your eyelashes and you will see how nicely you'll be able to brush it out and how nicely they will come out. So right now they look crazy, right? We're not gonna leave it like that. Okay, do you see that? And again, with the point. So I like how simple and easy and quick this look was. Just gonna get closer up. Do you see how pretty that shimmer is? Okay, so for lips, I ended up buying this NYX Smooth Whip. And I got the darkest color that they had only because we're in fall season and I love a dark lip in the fall season. But because we don't want to be too dramatic today, I'm actually probably just going to go in with a lighter shade. So I'm going to go in with this Matte Tender by Milani. I'm just going to go straight into the tube just like that, nothing fancy. Here's the other thing. I actually don't like lining my lips. I don't like doing that. And I've tried lining my lips before. I personally think that when I line my lips, maybe I didn't do it right at that certain time that I did it, but when I do line my lips, they end up smudging. And I don't like when I'm trying to just make it look somewhat natural, quote, quote. And then it ends up smudging all the way all over the place, and I don't like that. So let's just go in. But I end up just patting it, and then I like to smudge it with my finger. Okay, so sorry, I just got a phone call. Okay, so again, I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna show you just how you smudge it. I take this finger because it's the most gentle finger to use. And of course, you gotta make sure that your hands are clean before you start. So as you can see, it gave me a really nice wash of color. All right, so I hope you guys really enjoyed how I did this nice simple look. I am gonna wear it for the rest of the day. I really do appreciate everyone that's watching my videos. Your support means everything to me. So thank you for watching, and I'm definitely gonna be uploading another video soon. So stay tuned for that, and I hope you guys have a really great rest of your day. Thank you, ladies. Bye.